Solve the equation. 0.08x plus 0.06 times the quantity x plus 9 is equal to 1.24. I'm going to start here by multiplying everything on both sides of the equation by 100. To make this a little bit easier to work with, it's going to move our decimal point over 2 places in each of these terms. So 100 times the 0.08 is 8. And let's take that times x. Plus 100 times the 0.06 is 6. Let's take that times the quantity x plus 9. And on the right-hand side, 100 times 1.24 is a 124. So this looks a little bit easier to deal with. Now let's solve this resulting linear equation. Our third line is going to look like 8x plus distributing 6x plus 54 is equal to 124. Combining like terms gives 14x plus 54 is equal to 124. Subtracting 54 from both sides gives 14x is equal to 70. And as the last step, divide both sides by 14 to get x is equal to 5. Now, it's always a good idea to check that possible solution up in the very original equation. And a check verifies that our correct solution is indeed 5. Let's summarize then and indicate that the solution set is 5.